To capture selfie videos with a DJI OSMO 360, we basically have three different ways to do that. And the first way, that is to have the camera like this, and then we go into the settings, and then we go to panoramic videos, and we're gonna film it like this. And now we have started recording, and then we can have different length of the selfie stick. This is the 1.2 meters that comes with a action bundle. And then when we're filming, it works pretty well. We can just walk like this, we look good, and the view looks good, and everything is awesome. But the problem we have when we are using this panoramic video mode to capture a selfie video, that is that we need to reframe the video in post, because the camera will capture kind of everything. It doesn't really know what it's gonna focus on. So then we need to use the tracking in the editing feature, and that just takes time. So the second variant we have, that is to use this camera in single lens mode. So let's go into single lens mode, and then we're gonna go to video, and then we're gonna swipe up, and we're gonna, in this case, angle the camera this way. This is the only mode where we're gonna actually angle the camera. And then we're gonna start recording. And now we can walk this instead. Now we can see that we are filming the other way, so then we need to turn around the camera, which we do with this little button down here. Oh, you are unable to switch lenses in high quality video recording. If we press that button instead, no, it's the same. So let's stop the recording, and then we switch so we film with this lens instead. We can do that either by pressing the button down here, or we can do it by pressing the button down here. They work the same. And then we're gonna start recording. And now we can film ourselves like this instead. And this is about the same as before. We can even extend these seats longer. And this is what we get when we are using the single lens mode to capture a selfie video. It's pretty good, isn't it? The problem though, when we're using this, is that if we hold the selfie stick straight like this, we won't be perfectly framed in the camera because it's not straight towards us. So we will have lots of the sky, kind of half of the frame is on us, the rest is capturing the sky. If we would like to be perfectly centered, then I need to hold it more like this instead, which works, but it's maybe not as comfortable as when you just hold it a little bit casual like this. So you need to think about that, how you frame it. Now let's take a look at the third variant we can use to capture selfie videos with the DJI OSMO 360. Let's tap at the bottom left here again, then we take a look at 360 mode, and then we scroll over to the selfie mode instead. And with the selfie mode enabled, then we're gonna angle back the camera again, so it's straight like this. The difference between the selfie mode and the panoramic mode, when we're gonna have the same, the first mode we tried, is that now the camera actually knows that, okay, this is the person that is holding the stick that is gonna be the focus of this video. So if we now start recording, let's do like that, let's start recording. We can have a short stick like this, and now we just hold it casually forward like this. And then we can also extend it so it's further away. And I don't need to think about how I'm gonna hold it. I just hold it straight out like this, and it probably looks really good because now the camera knows that, okay, it's a selfie mode. It's the person that is holding the stick that's gonna be in the frame. And if you like the audio here from the DJI OSMO 360 right now, that is because here, no, it's actually there, that one that is hidden behind my little string. That thing, that is a DJI Mic Mini, and that is hooked up directly into the OSMO 360. And that means that we get perfect audio no matter where we have the microphone. If it's far, or actually the camera, if it's far away or close, all the audio is going to come from this microphone instead. So this is one of the best investments you can do together with one of these cameras, because it's the audio that is telling the story, sometimes more than the video, because if you have crappy audio, you will never continue watch the video. But if the video is kind of crap but you have pristine audio, then the video will still be perfectly fine to watch. Next thing we can do, that is to watch this playlist up here, because that is the DJI OSMO 360 playlist with all of these fancy videos that you need to watch to master your DJI OSMO 360. At the bottom here, that is the video that YouTube recommended to watch if you don't want to watch that one. Thank you so much, and don't forget the super thanks, and maybe buy me a coffee. It's in the link below. Have a good one. Bye.